Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we are making another hot favorite which is served for breakfast in most Goan restaurants. Our recipe for today is Goan Chana Ros. Step 1. Soaking the chanas. In a bowl, take around 1 cup of dried white peas or chanas. Add water and wash them properly. Once you have washed the chanas, discard all the water. Now add 3 cups of clean drinking water, making sure the chanas are fully submerged in the water. Cover and soak it overnight. Step 2. Boiling the chanas. Next day, drain out all the water from the soaked chanas. On medium heat, in a pressure cooker, add the soaked chanas. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 3 cups of water,
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cover and cook with the whistle. Let it boil for 3 to 4 whistles or approximately around 25 minutes. Once done, the chanas should be soft when you try to mash it between your fingers. If there is excess water remaining in the chanas after boiling, drain the water and keep it aside to use later while cooking. Step 3. Preparing the ingredients. Whole spices to be roasted. Quarter teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is bari shape, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 to 4 small button red chilies, which are slightly spicy. You can reduce the number of red chilies if you want it less spicy. But do not use Kashmiri red chilies as it will make the gravy reddish in color. Half-inch piece of cinnamon, 4 black peppercorns, 4 cloves, 1 green cardamom, 1/8 piece of nutmeg, it's a small piece of nutmeg, 2 petals of star anise, remove the seed, a small piece of mace, 1 bay leaf. You also need 2 medium onions for roasting that are thinly sliced and 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 12 curry leaves or curry patta, 2 green chilies, quarter-inch piece of ginger, 6 cloves of garlic. Cut the green chilies, ginger and garlic into small pieces to make it easier to grind into a smooth paste. Take 1 ball of tamarind, roughly the size of a small lime. Soak the tamarind in warm water. You will also need half teaspoon of turmeric, that is haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, a small bunch of coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. This should be cut fine. Step 4. Roasting the ingredients. Place a thick, wide open, heavy bottom pan on medium-low heat. Once the pan is hot, add the whole spices. Dry roast them for 6 to 7 minutes until the color changes slightly and it starts to give a nice aroma. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once done, remove and keep aside to cool. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or any other cooking oil. Add the cut garlic and stir. After a minute, add the cut ginger. Stir everything nicely. Then add the green chilies. Stir everything nicely. After around half a minute, add the sliced onion. Fry the onions until they turn translucent and slightly golden brown. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Then add the curry leaves or curry patta. Once the onions are done, remove them and keep them aside to cool. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or any other cooking oil. Add the freshly grated coconut. Fry the coconut until it becomes light brown. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once done, remove the coconut and keep it aside to cool. Step 5. Preparing the masala. Once the roasted ingredients have cooled down, add them in a mixer grinder. Add the red chili and the other roasted whole spices. Also add onion, garlic, ginger, green chilies. Add the curry leaves, grated coconut, soaked tamarind. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then add 1 cup of water. Grind it to a smooth paste. The ground masala is ready. Step 6. Preparing the Chana Ros. Place a thick, wide open, heavy bottom pan on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the ground masala. Let it boil. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Make sure to stir it properly since this is a thick gravy and it will stick to the bottom. Once it starts to boil, add the boiled chanas.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Stir everything nicely. Add half a cup of water and stir. If there was any leftover water from the boiled chanas, you can add it here instead of regular water. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything nicely. Now let it boil. Once boiled, check for salt and add if required. Garnish with finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Chana Ros is ready. Serve it hot with pav, which is Goan bread, puris or rice. If you have any questions or feedback, please write to us in the comment section.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.